turn that on then. Bang bang, didn't know what was happening and shit. If that helmet wasn't on, man, whew.
You'd have been dead meat, eh?
At least it's on film, mate.
Yeah, bro, I can't wait, let's go home and watch it.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Probably look away when you do it on the road.
I guess.
No shit, bro. Yeah.
Oh, man.
On the road, man.
I can't believe that though.
If I see other dudes doing on the road, I'm happy. Like, yeah, wicked,
Dad.
but my son, nah.
Because I was in fourth, just...
What the?
How did that get in there, bro?
You stacked it good, bro.
Look at that, man. That is in the rim.
Put your helmet on, man.
No.
Ride it back if you can.
That's all in the rim. Fucking dickhead.
Brendan comes out with us, eh? He's like, he doesn't even get a decent ride.
Yeah, stopping every 5 minutes and falling off.